Hey everybody, it's Eric from AR15 Hunter. This is a quick video on follow-up shots with an AR-15. Those are shots that we miss and then follow up. First, the warning: if you don't like hunting or images of hunting, please leave. So this is going to give you some of the background shots that we do when we miss and are able to follow up with the AR-15. I'll drop in a little bit, talk some more. Take the shot whenever you're ready.
Left high. He's running left. I'm on him.
So that was only 13 seconds between those two shots. And this one's kind of unique. The prairie dog stands up right behind that bush. The first shot with the 17 caliber hits a bush and misses. The second shot takes its head clean off. I got him. Put it right on him, dude.
Hit him.
So you see a picture of the prairie dog there. This next one is over 200 yards away. That's why it's kind of small. And Will makes a nice shot with his .223. So as I showed some video of Will talking about one of the AR-15s we used, just want to drop in and say that a lot of people wonder, well, why do you hunt with an AR-15? And again, we go back to the fact that it's a great platform to work with. It's very versatile. And also, as this video shows once again, you're able to follow up quick shots, especially when you're varmint hunting. Thanks for watching. If you click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll be the first to know when we have new videos. And if you like this down below, we would greatly appreciate it. And comment if you have any questions. Thanks.